Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that we should keep trying until we get it right. So today let's do some of the problems from unitary method to understand it even better. Let's see if the same question can have an alternative solution so that we know all the ways by which we can solve a problem, and then we will move ahead for solving the problems from the exercise. But before that, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics. Okay, so let's start. So let's start with example 1. Example 1 says a family of 8 people is entitled to ration of 6,400 grams of sugar. Now, what does the word ration means? Ration means that certain families who are not financially who are not very strong, they are given ration by the government. So, a family of 8 people is entitled to ration of 6,400 grams of sugar. Question is, what will be the sugar ratio for a family of 10 people? So a family of 10 people, how much ration they will be entitled to? Now don't get confused with the sugar ratio word here, ratio here. This can also be solved using unitary method. So let's understand how to solve. First, we should focus on what is given to us. What is given to us? Quantity of sugar for 8 people is equal to 6,400 grams. This is the entitlement. Now, can I not calculate quantity of sugar for one person? For one person, it will become less. When we are calculating for less, we divide. So, 6,400 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 eights are 64, and then the 2 zeros will follow. So, for one person, it is 800 grams. Okay. And quantity of sugar for 10 people. So for 10 people means we are finding more. If we try to find more, we multiply. So it will be 10 multiplied by 800. The answer is 8,000 grams. Okay. So this is the way we solve questions in unitary method. Let's move to the next question. The cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees 60. How many bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.50? Okay, so the given, what is given here? The cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees 60. Bananas here, 1 dozen is equal to 12. We know that already. We have done so many problems before in ratio and proportion. So for 4 dozen, it will be 12 into 4. 12 into 4 is how much? 48. So cost of one banana, if I need to find out, I need to divide because I am trying to find less. So for finding less, we divide. We have discussed this formula in the previous video. If you haven't watched the previous video, I am going to attach in the link in the description below. You can check that out. So 6 tens are 60 and 6 eights are 48. 2 fives are 10, 2 fours are 8. I leave this cost of one banana as a fraction. I won't change it to this thing decimal. I can change, not a problem, but here I will check if keeping it as a fraction will be easier to calculate in the next step. So number of bananas that can be bought in rupees 12.50. How will I find that? See, 5 by 4 is the cost of one banana. Suppose there are n number of bananas that cost 12.5. Okay, 12.5. So n will be equal to 12.5 divided by 5.4. That is how I am going to find the cost of not the cost, but the number of bananas that can be bought in rupees 12.50. So let's do the division. 12.5 divided by 5.4 will give me the number of bananas, right? N it will give me. So 12.5 multiplied by 4 by 5, I have to find the reciprocal. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, then decimal point comes, and then 5 fives are 25. Now 2.5 into 4, just ignore this decimal. 25 into 4 is 100, right? 100, and there is one decimal point, so it is actually 10 bananas. 10 bananas I can buy with the amount 12.50 rupees. So is there any alternative method to solve the question? Yes, let's do that as well. For the alternative method, I have written the given statement in a reverse way. Reverse way means what? Look at the question. The question is saying in the given statement, the cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees 60. So first it is mentioning the number of bananas. What I have done, I have written here just the reverse. Rupees 60 can buy 4 dozen bananas. So I am trying to find out how many bananas can rupee 1 buy. I already know rupee 1 cannot buy even, I mean, it's clear that it cannot buy even one whole banana, but still let me know what fraction of a banana can rupee 1 buy. So for that I will divide this. For 4 dozen is equal to 48 bananas. We just had calculated in the previous method. So 48 divided by 60 rupees will give me how much banana can I buy with rupee 1. The 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. So not even one full banana. If I divide the banana into 5 parts, I'll get 4 parts out of it. See, up to your convenience which method you use. Either you can use this method or alternatively you can use this method. It's up to you. This is also one of the methods which I want to tell you because I want to tell everything. So how many bananas can rupee 1 buy? Rupee 1 can buy 4 by 5 of a banana. So now we will find out rupees 12.50, how many bananas can it buy? Definitely I need to multiply here. Rupee 1 will buy less banana. Rupees 12.50 will buy more banana. So here for finding more we multiply. If you remember in our last video I have discussed all this. So the same method we need to apply. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25, right? This 0 we can ignore or we can also write. Now 4 multiplied with 2.5, same thing, 10, it will give me 10 as before. So 10 bananas can be bought with rupees 12 and 50 paise. Okay, so this is how we solve. There are two methods, whichever method you want to use, it's up to you. Let's move to the next example. So example 3 says that a man runs 10 kilometers in 30 minutes. How far does he go in 45 minutes? So here I have written the given statement. The distance a man runs in 30 minutes is 10 kilometers. So I have just reversed here. So in the question, the given statement 10 kilometers is mentioned first, but I have mentioned 30 minutes first in my given statement. Why? Because I am trying to find the distance the man runs in 1 minute. So very carefully write the given statement. Okay, when you are writing the given statement, your given statement will determine what you are trying to find out. Okay, so here I have written just the reverse. The distance a man runs in 30 minutes is 10 kilometers. Therefore, the distance the man runs in 1 minute. Let's find out. Okay, how much distance does he, how far does he go in 1 minute? How will I do that? 10 divided by 30. So 10 by 30 will give me 1 by 3, right? I cancel out the zeros. 1 and 3 are co-prime numbers. So definitely they can't be any more cancelled out. So 1 by 3 kilometers. Okay, 1/3 of a kilometer the man runs in 1 minute. Now I can find out the question is asking me how far does he go in 45 minutes. So the distance, therefore the distance the man runs in 45 minutes, how I will find out? I'll multiply. When I'm trying to find more, I multiply. So here 3 ones are 3 and 1 by 3 came from here. Okay, this statement here. How much distance he runs in 1 minute? So 1 by 3 into 45. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, and then 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 5, 3 fives are 15. So it becomes 15 kilometers. This is the distance the man runs in 45 minutes. This is one method of trying to find the answer. Could there be another method? I think so. Let's understand the other method by which we can find the same solution. Okay, let's now understand what is the given statement for the alternative method. It is written here just the way the question has mentioned, 10 kilometer in 30 minutes. I have also written in the alternative method, time taken by a man to run 10 kilometer is 30 minutes. Just the same thing. Now, why I am written like this? Because I am trying to find out time taken by the man to run 1 kilometer. Okay. So that how will I find out? 30 minutes by 10, that will give me the time that he takes to run 1 kilometer. So it will be, right, 30 divided by this 10 kilometers, 30 minutes he is taking to run 10 kilometers. So it will be 3 minutes, right? 3 minutes he takes to run 1 kilometer. Now, can I not find out the distance the man runs in 45 minutes? How will I find out? See, for 1 kilometer, he is taking, or rather, I should write the opposite here. I'll write that 3 minutes he is running 1 kilometer. In 3 minutes, is running 1 kilometer. 45 minutes, how much time he will take? I can find it now. 1 by 3 multiplied by 45. That will give me the distance that it travels in 45 minutes. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Then 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 comes here, it becomes 15. So 3 fives are 15. I have already written 15 here. So what does the distance become? The distance comes up to be 15 kilometers that the man travels in 45 minutes. So this is another method of trying to find out the same solution. Okay. So you can just tweak the given statement and then find out the answer as per your convenience. Whichever way, answer should come correct. Okay.